playing Pixel Gun! Today, we will go with Wolverine, probably Mercenary! Power coverage 3 points and 120, I don't know. Yeah. Let's go. I want to do this first. Co-op survival, let's test. Let's see his powerful in survival. Then multiplayer, let's see who's weak. Probably this video will be like 2 minutes straight. I don't know. Go. Just go. Damn, my dinosaurs came fast, monkey. We'll try this out. I like the Amaro. Look at this. Look at this. I'm gonna hide for a second. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. Look at this beautiful gun. Oh my god, it's a minigun pistol. Let me in there. Take my minigun pistol. Woo. I like. If you get used to it, you don't lose ammo fast. If you don't, I feel bad for you to kill you with this gun. Ammo! Let's go! And now that I sound behind and watch me Rick and Morty. Let's go! This gun. Your power zombie. Let me see your power of multiplayer after this. Damn, you're a powerful dinosaur. So. Remember, if you want content like this, please subscribe and leave a like. Yeah. I edit my. Sorry for I don't upload because I edit my videos. It's hard to edit, guys, and do the thumbnails too. Go! Okay, what was that? Jump! What is he? Woo! Okay, Grandma. Woo! Can't get me. Run! Don't ever disturb my I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah, I did not die. Ah! God, got to level. I want to go to level.
Make the ground shake.
Yes, level 8. Woo-hoo! Yes. Come on, come on. I'm back. That's right. Go. How good are you? In multiplayer. We're actually doing this in zombies, man. What, bro? God. Oh, come on. Hey, don't call me on stuck. You gotta be hurt my feelings. Oh my god. This is a freaking worst gun ever. Nobody. My dinosaur doing all work for me. Oh my god. This gun suck. Okay, I'm gonna compare with this gun. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna show you this gun. And this gun is overpowered. Probably like 120 jams. You see that? This gun, my premier gun is more powerful. Now I'm spinning my screen. This is the last game, guys. The last game. Let's go. Go. Oh my god. This is the biggest, worst gun ever. That's it, guys. If you want content like this, please subscribe and leave a like. Get this gun only in zombie. Don't get this gun freaking multiplayer. So yeah. Bye.